Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cara if you're new here. And today, as you can probably tell by the title of this video, today I am going to be dyeing my hair pink. So I recently just used a pink hairspray in one of my videos. It was from IGK. It was super temporary and it washed out as soon as you showered, but I loved the way it looked. So I decided I'm going to try again with something a little bit more permanent, not permanent, semi-permanent maybe. It's still a washout, but it's not gonna wash out immediately. So I am gonna have pink hair for, I'm guessing like 2 weeks, but who knows, maybe longer, maybe less. This is a big risk for me. I have never really done anything crazy with my hair, always just blonde. So yeah, let's see how this works out. So the product that I'm going to be using is the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair, and since I've never used this before and I have kind of no idea what I'm doing or what to expect, this is gonna be like a full review, tutorial, first impression, everything all in one video. So keep watching and let's see how this turns out. I'll show you up close. It's hard to see, but the pink hair that it shows right there is such a pretty pink. Like, it's gorgeous. So I'm excited. This could come out really, really cute, or this could be a hot mess. So keep watching and let's see together how it comes out. It smells good. It has like a very soft, light scent to it. I actually really like the way it smells. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this section right here. I wish I bought like one of those hair things to like dye your hair and like paint it on, but I didn't. I just have this comb. So let's just dive in. Oh wow. Oh crap, I forgot I wanted to put a towel on me, on my shoulders. All right. I should start at the root probably. And then actually, I might not want to dye my roots because my roots aren't actually that blonde. It's kind of my natural color. So if it's not hair that's been bleached, it says it might not take to it as much. I hope I'm using enough. I mean, I can already see my hair starting to get pink, but I have like no hair, so like how much of this can I actually glop on? So I guess I'm done with section 1. That was easy. I could imagine if you have like more hair in your head, this would take longer, but since my hair is so thin, this probably isn't going to take me very long at all. And I probably actually won't even need the whole bottle, although I think it says to use the whole bottle. This hair at the end is going to take to it a lot more because it's been processed the most. Every time I've gotten my hair highlighted, you know, this hair's been on my head a lot longer than this hair has. I want to make sure that I'm getting like the back enough. So So what I really liked about this product is that it actually serves as a conditioner for your hair, whereas usually dyeing your hair is really unhealthy for your hair. This is actually supposed to be a conditioner and make your hair softer when you wash it out. So that's pretty cool too. I guess also just because there's no bleach being used, whereas usually there would be bleach being used when I get my hair dyed. This, you do need to have bleach care for it to work. So, I mean, you still had to make your hair unhealthy at one point to use it, but at least this is not damaging it. So I see like the pink sticking to it. I feel like it's definitely going to work. Like, I have absolutely no strategy at all besides the sectioning it off in 4 pieces like they said. I'm just glopping this on. I feel like 6 sections would have probably been better, especially for people with fuller hair. Like, my sections are pretty pathetic, but ooh, I should have not done that. I don't need a pink part. Okay, so it looks like I have it all dyed. Oh, before I take my gloves off, I am also just going to dye some of my Bellamy extensions as well. These are the ones I used for the other pink video, so they already have like a slight pink hairspray in them. But I am just gonna glop some of this stuff on the blonder parts on the bottom. That way I have some extensions to wear while my hair is pink. Okay, so in case you were wondering how much product I used, I did use exactly like half of the bottle. So I'm not quite sure if I have enough. I'm just gonna throw a little bit more on just in case, although it does feel like all of my hair is completely saturated. I just wanna make sure that I am using enough. And I guess I'm just going to pin this back while I'm waiting for it to dry. Okay guys, so I just blew out and curled my hair, and this is how it came out. I love it. It's like a rose gold color. I wanted to have my extensions in, but I forgot that those are still soaking wet, so I don't really have time to dry them. But you'll see in my next video or pictures when I have the extensions dried and curled as well. It'll just add even more pink and fullness, so I think it'll look really pretty. But I am so obsessed with how it came out. I think I'm going to, I don't know how long this is gonna last. You're not supposed to like use shampoo, the bottle says, at least the first time, I guess, after washing it out. So I had to use shampoo, but I just put it at my roots. And then, so I'm hoping that this lasts for like at least 2 weeks. I ended up only using half of the jar. So, as this washes out, I'm going to put it back in with the other half of the jar. And I really think I'm just going to keep doing this all summer, especially if I can get like 2 weeks out of it, because then I only need like 1 jar a month. So that's like nothing. But yeah, I love it. I love this color. So happy with the results. And comment below and let me know what you think.